Welcome to Australia, a land of diverse and unusual creatures. One such creature, the wombat, stands out for a peculiar reason. It poops cubes. Wombats, with their stout bodies and powerful claws, are highly skilled burrowers, creating intricate underground tunnels. Join me as we delve into the world of wombats, exploring their unique adaptations, behaviors, and the challenges they face. Wombats are expert diggers, creating elaborate underground homes called burrows. These burrows are not just simple holes in the ground, they are complex networks of tunnels and chambers. Using their strong claws and powerful limbs, wombats excavate these burrows, which can extend for considerable distances. The burrows provide a safe haven from predators and harsh weather conditions. Inside the burrow, wombats create comfortable living spaces. They line their nests with soft materials like grass and leaves, creating a cozy retreat. The burrows maintain a relatively stable temperature, offering respite from the scorching Australian sun during the day and insulation from the cold at night. The intricate design of the burrows, with multiple entrances and exits, allows for good ventilation, ensuring a constant supply of fresh air. While they are generally solitary animals, they do interact with each other, particularly during the breeding season. Burrows may overlap, creating a network of tunnels that connect different individuals. The importance of burrows to wombat survival cannot be overstated. Wombats may appear cuddly, but their physique is perfectly adapted for a life spent digging. Their compact muscular bodies are built for strength and power. Their short, sturdy legs tipped with sharp claws are their primary tools for excavation. These claws are incredibly strong, allowing them to break through tough soil and roots with ease. Their digging prowess is further enhanced by their unique skeletal structure. Wombats have a specialized shoulder girdle and powerful chest muscles that provide the leverage and force needed for digging. Their skulls are also adapted for burrowing, with a flattened shape and strong jaw muscles that allow them to move soil and rocks. Their teeth, like those of rodents, continuously grow, compensating for the wear and tear of digging. The dense, coarse hairs are tightly packed, providing insulation and protection from the abrasive soil. From their powerful claws to their specialized skeletal structure and protective fur, every aspect of a wombat's physique is tailored to their burrowing lifestyle. Wombats are herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of grasses, roots, and bark. Their strong teeth and powerful jaws allow them to graze on tough vegetation. They are particularly fond of native grasses, which provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. During drier months, they may also dig for roots and tubers, accessing moisture and sustenance from below the ground. Their digestive system is specially adapted to break down the tough fibers found in their plant-based diet. Wombats have a large cecum, a pouch-like structure in their digestive tract, where bacteria ferment the plant material. This fermentation process allows them to extract maximum nutrients from their food. Interestingly, wombats have a very slow metabolic rate, meaning they can survive on relatively small amounts of food. Their foraging habits play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystem. As they graze, wombats help to control the growth of vegetation, preventing any one species from dominating the landscape. Section 5. A day in the life habits and quirks. Wombats are mostly nocturnal, spending their days resting in the cool comfort of their burrows. As the sun begins to set, they emerge from their underground retreats, ready to forage for food. Despite their stout appearance, wombats are surprisingly agile and can move with surprising speed when necessary. They are also good swimmers, using their burrows as a refuge from danger, including bushfires and floods. When threatened, they can defend themselves with powerful kicks from their strong hind legs. One of their most peculiar characteristics is their backwards-facing pouch. This unique adaptation prevents soil and debris from entering the pouch while the wombat is digging, ensuring the safety and well-being of its young. Their unique behaviors and characteristics make them a fascinating subject of study and a testament to the diversity of life found in Australia. Section 6. Wombats and other animals. A network of interactions. Wombats, while often solitary, are not isolated creatures. Their presence in the ecosystem has a ripple effect, influencing the lives of many other animals. Their burrows, for instance, provide shelter not only for themselves, but also for a variety of other species. Birds, reptiles, and even other mammals may seek refuge in abandoned wombat burrows, finding protection from predators and the elements. Their foraging habits also impact the surrounding environment. As they graze, they create patches of bare ground, which can be beneficial for certain plant species that thrive in disturbed areas. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, act as natural fertilizers, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. This, in turn, attracts insects and other invertebrates, providing a food source for larger animals. Despite these challenges, wombats play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Wombats, despite their resilience, face a growing number of threats, many of which are a direct result of human activities. Habitat loss due to agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development is a major concern. As human populations expand, wombat habitats are being cleared or fragmented, leaving them with less space to roam, forage, and find mates. The introduction of non-native species, such as foxes and dingoes, has also had a devastating impact on wombat populations. These predators, with their superior hunting skills, can decimate wombat numbers, particularly in areas where wombats are already under stress from habitat loss. Disease outbreaks, such as sarcoptic mange, a debilitating skin condition caused by mites, can also spread rapidly through wombat populations, leading to widespread mortality. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to the challenges facing wombats. Increased frequency and intensity of droughts and heat waves can lead to food and water shortages, making it harder for wombats to survive. Wombats, often overlooked, play a crucial role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of Australian ecosystems. Their burrowing activities, while seemingly simple, have far-reaching consequences for the environment. Their burrows, for instance, provide shelter for a wide range of other species, creating microhabitats that support a diverse array of plants and animals. By selectively feeding on certain plant species, wombats help to control vegetation growth, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. This, in turn, promotes plant diversity, creating a mosaic of habitats that support a wider range of animal life. As they excavate their burrows, wombats bring nutrient-rich soil to the surface, improving soil fertility and structure. This aeration process also enhances water infiltration, making the soil more resistant to erosion and drought. Wombats, through their burrowing, grazing, and digging activities, act as ecosystem engineers, shaping the landscape and influencing the distribution and abundance of other species. Despite the challenges they face, there is hope for the future of wombats. Conservation efforts are underway across Australia to protect these unique creatures and their habitats. These efforts involve a multi-pronged approach, focusing on research, habitat restoration, and community engagement. Researchers are working tirelessly to better understand wombat ecology, behavior, and the threats they face. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Habitat restoration projects are underway to restore degraded landscapes and create safe havens for wombats. These projects often involve planting native vegetation, controlling invasive species, and creating corridors to connect fragmented habitats. Community engagement is also key to wombat conservation. The future of wombats, like so many other species, rests in our hands. As stewards of the planet, it is our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. While conservation efforts are underway, we can all play a part in securing a brighter future for these fascinating creatures. Supporting organizations involved in wombat conservation is a crucial step. Donations, however small, can make a significant difference in funding research, habitat restoration, and community education programs. Spreading awareness about the plight of wombats, sharing their story with friends and family, and advocating for stronger environmental policies are also important contributions. Making conscious choices in our daily lives can also have a positive impact. By taking action, raising awareness, and making responsible choices, we can ensure that these unique and iconic animals continue to thrive in the Australian wilderness for generations to come.